Hi everyone, this is your welcome video. Welcome to Global Social Issues. This is a fun class. We're going to do a lot of neat stuff in here. You're going to get published in here, which is pretty remarkable for AA level studies. I'll explain that all to you when I see you tomorrow, how that works and what the process is. So we're going to meet tomorrow in AC 240 at 1:40 p.m. right after the college hour. And we're going to talk about kind of the structure of the course as a hybrid, and then introduce ourselves, get to know each other, and then go over the syllabus for you guys to kind of ask questions. So if you're on the module, which you should be able to be on there, you can already look at the syllabus. So I would request that you do so that you're able to see kind of what we're doing and that sort of thing. I don't have a lot to say. I just wanted to do a check-in and welcome you and wish you a first good day. If you have classes today, I have classes today. So it's always fun to meet the new people. Of course, it's raining terribly, so we're all going to be a little soggy, but it's probably much needed, right? So thanks for the rain, because one of the global social issues we'll probably talk about is the environment, because there's certainly a lot to say about that as a social issue. So I hope you're doing well. Welcome to spring 2020. We're going to have a good semester. We're going to get a lot done. We're going to look at issues and solutions and hopefully leave the semester feeling like we're a part of the solution. Okay? So take good care and I will see you tomorrow.